All right, the defense case starting off this morning, and a few different types of witnesses. You had Ben Pace, who worked at RJR, talking about an interaction with the defendant. Joining us and watching along with us is defense attorney, former prosecutor, Titus Nichols. And Titus, overall thoughts here on this defense case. Your thoughts?
Number one, thank you for having me back on the show. Number two, you can see that the defense is trying to lay a good character defense by bringing in his clients to testify about Mr. Isaak doing a great job, being very accommodating, being a nice all-around great person. They're trying to rebut the government's argument that he's a killer. The problem is that you saw repeatedly on cross-examination, the state would point out, you don't really know him. Other than him, you coming in for a chiropractor appointment, you don't hang out with him, you don't know him in a personal capacity, and in fact, you only see him just a few minutes whenever you come there for your treatment. And the witnesses, having no dog in the fight, all nod their head and say, yes, that's absolutely correct. So the defense is going to have a hard time if they're relying upon his clients to prove that he's too nice of a person to have committed this horrible crime. He's going to have to try to have an explanation for statements that his witnesses stated. He can't simply say, oh, they're mistaken, because now it's going to be he's attacking the credibility of his own witnesses. If more and more of these inconsistencies come up, it's quite possible that he's going to choose not to take the stand. And that's going to create a problem because the jury's going to wonder, well, where were you during that time? Did you really have a dental appointment? And unfortunately, they're going to say, why aren't you taking the stand, even though he has a right to remain silent?
Titus Nichols, thank you as always for your expertise. Really appreciate it.